Hey collectors, here is a look at Wingnut and Screwloose from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles cartoon series by NECA. And I would like to thank Octotoys for this. Link in the description below. Check them out. At the back of the box, there is a small bio for Wingnut and Screwloose, plus the other characters that are released already for this wave from Ninja Turtles cartoon series. Once you remove the plastic tray that contains the action figures, the box has a backdrop for your toy photography, and the first plastic tray contains both figures plus the blaster of Wingnut, and the second tray at the back contains extra hands plus a stand for screw loose. And this is the transparent stand and base for screw loose, which requires minor assembly, and the extra hands for Wingnut at the back tray of the package. There are small plastic straps which you can see locking the figure on the plastic tray, and to safely remove them, I suggest you cut off those plastic straps at the back of the toy to avoid damaging the figures or their paint applications. Be sure to check the top part of the plastic tray because there is a replica of the cover of the comic that Wingnut and Screwloose are reading. Out of the plastic tray, Wingnut stands below 6 inches tall, and Screwloose is below 4.5 inches tall, and both figures are fully posable. And here is a look at the backside of Wingnut. He has that mechanical wings that are attached to his small bat wings, and this is for screw loose. And before you go on posing this figure, be sure to heat up the joints to avoid breaking them. Even though Wingnut is fully posable, because of its weight, the posing is limited. It will always fall down forward, or because of the weight of his wings backwards. So be careful when you are doing some action poses with this figure. For screw loose, be careful when you are bending the joints because the paint will scrape off. And use the action figure stand that he comes in to put him in some dynamic poses. NECA did a good job making this into plastic form, and even though most of the time Wingnut falls down, it's just a small problem with this figure. And for size comparison, here they are with Snake Eyes from G.I. Joe Classified and Tobey Maguire Spider-Man from the No Way Home wave, both figures by Hasbro. With Voltas 5 from the SMP line by Bandai Model Kit, and Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story, also from Bandai Model Kit. And finally with Metalhead and Turtles in Disguise box set Donatello, both figures from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles cartoon series by NECA. And with that, thank you all for watching, and see you all again next video.